let me give a quick overview. What is the advantage of these bots? So, hi everyone. So without the bots, we can do the trading, right? Because for example, if our scanner tells that, right? For example, when before market open, right, 5-10 minutes before, if you go to Fib Swing or you go to Market Compass, you go to RLS, or you can open any of the scanners like MTFF, MTFS. They will tell which stocks are bull trap, which stocks are bear trap. What do you mean by bull trap? That means basically it is telling, right? This is only for first 1.5 hour after US market open. That means it is telling from 8:30, initially first 5-10 minutes, there might be some bullish candles which will trap all the buyers, and then it can go down below 415 and then it will go all the way to 237. In the same way for ES, it is telling it is a bull trap. It will, if it loses 7498, it will go all the way to 7472. Initially, first 5-10 minutes, it will be bullish, then later bearish. So, using this information, one way is you can manually take the trades. Whether it is a ES or NQ, you wait for a sell signal. If it is a bull trap, you wait for a sell signal. If it is a bear trap, you wait for a buy signal. You can manually, whenever you see a sell signal, you short it, and whenever you see a buy signal, you buy it. That is one way, manual trades. At the same time, you can do SPX trades or SPY trades, QQQ trades, all those things based on bull trap and bear trap signals. But the major problem with that is the timing, right? Whether you might be busy in some meeting or you might be doing something else, you might be looking at some other ticker. You have to keep watching it. So that's why we build some automated bots which will automatically take the trades. So for that, what we have to do is we use our trading view, which will help us to identify which side it can go in the first 1.5 hour. Based on that, if you see that it can go down, then what we will do is we use a strategy called as a Prism strategy, right? That is an algorithm. It is an algo. So indicator means it will give you buy sell signals. You have to click on the buy and sell buttons. A strategy means it will automatically do the calculations. It will trade by itself. You don't need to do anything. But the problem there is if you enable on both the sides, if it is choppy, you can make losses. Or if it is going up, you do short, you may get losses. So that's where our pre-market indicators will tell us which direction there is a high possibility in the first 1.5 hour. Based on that, if I see in the indicator that it will go down, then I will go and select short only. Or if I see it is a bear trap, I'll select long only. So instead of selecting both the directions, we'll select only one direction. And then we'll give certain time that, okay, only between this time to this time, you take the trades. In that way, if I see MES, MNQ, RTY, YM, multiple indicators in bull trap, then I can do the same thing on 4-5 different tabs at the same time. So manually, you cannot take so many trades. But when you are using the bots, the bot will automatically take the trades based on the direction you are setting up. So what you have to do is, so that is the major advantage. One is your emotions will not take control. If it keeps going up, it will not take a sell signal. Only when it starts dropping, that is where the bot will automatically take the sell signal. When it starts going up, it will automatically close your sell trade. That means it sold around 7493. It bought at around 7449. So you are taking advantage of a big drop. In the same way, it started selling at 28,525. It started again going up at 28,220. This is where close the trade, because we are telling that because we got a bull trap, we are only enabling the short. So it will only take the sell signal, and then when it started going up, it will not take another buy signal, because if it takes a buy signal, it went little bit up, again there is a drop, Again, it went up. So we are mainly focusing on first 1.5 hour, 8:30 to 10:30. That is where we mainly want to take the trades. So instead of you clicking on the buy sell button, the bots will do the buy and sell. You don't need to manually do anything. All you have to do is understand what is the whether it will drop or it will go up using our scanners. Our scanners will tell whether it is a bull trap or bear trap. Based on that, we we identify those tickers and enable them. So once you already filled the form, you go to the Google Drive and you download this Prism. Right? There is a Prism files here. You can go to this Prism files and you can download this. Yet I hope everyone is clear what is the major advantage of the bots instead of you manually doing it. Oh,
Which
yes.
one? Before RC Prism V12.
So yeah, go to RC Prism V12 underscore V12.zip.
Okay, download it and then where do
Yeah,
we import?
you download that. Once you download that, you can go to Control Center, go to Tools, go to Import, then you can select Ninja Script add-on, and then you can select that zip file. So Rudra, if you want, you can share now.
Yeah, sure. I'm logging into Google Drive. 1 second. So, Kishore, I'm having some issues with my laptop. Uh, can you ask someone else to share screen, please?
Yeah, sure. Anyone else who can share? Venkat or Sandeep?
Yeah.
Venkat, you can join as a panelist and share the screen.
Yeah, now I
So you should not be using OneDrive if you want to use the bots. If you have OneDrive, disable that. So I shared the Google Drive link.
so I did import, then what do we do next?
So yeah, once again, can you go to import? Right, go to import. So everyone, right, the first step is you download that zip file from the Google Drive. I pasted the link. Once you import it, then you can go to Ninja Script. You can go to Ninja Control Center, import, and then you have to just select that zip file and say open. and then it will automatically get loaded in. That means you are installing that software in your machine. So once you install the software, now can you go to file, the first option, the first, after that, okay. Yeah, you can still do the manual trading, right? The advantage of bots is if you cannot control the emotions, if you're not able to enter and exit at right time, the bots will do the job for you. Yeah, you go to the control center.
How to prove?
Uh, Before tools, you will have new, right? Yeah,
That
here you have a chart. Go to chart. Under new, you have chart, and then in the instrument, you select, let us say, MNQ, right? In the after type, so he on the right side you have last, and then you select instead of minute, you go there and you select Heikenhashi.
which one?
You have Heikenhashi, Heikken. Come little bit down. You see, yeah, Heikenhashi, and then you select 5 minutes. Instead of one, you make it five. Say okay. You can maximize this. So, do you already have a? Do you have any prop account? Because you need data for.
Yeah, oh, just need to connect that. Okay.
Yeah, you can connect. Now, what you can do is, yeah, right click, go to strategies, go to right choice, and double click on it, RC Prism, double click. So now, let us say tomorrow you see in the morning that there is a bull trap. Then you can, yeah, in the miscellaneous, let us start from the top, right? The trade direction. Instead of both, you will select, if it is a bull trap, you select short only. And then we mainly want to focus in the first 1.5 hour. So you can also change the time so that when it is choppy, you don't want the trades to happen. Are you in Pacific or okay, you're in Pacific, so you can put 8300 830. Yeah, 3000. Mm, yeah, add two more zeros. And then at the bottom, you make it as 10:30.
Yeah,
1
Pacific,
0.
sure. Pacific is 6:30, 8:30 Central, right?
Right, right. Yeah, based on your laptop time, you can set up. Yeah, if it is Pacific, you can put 6:30.
Yeah, mine is. Yeah, I'm okay with 11.
Right, and then, for example, you are trading in Apex Pro account, right? You can put the target profit as 40 ticks. But if you are in evaluation, you don't need to put any target profit, right? Because you want consistency in the Pro account. That is where you want to every day, whenever you make 40 ticks, which is nearly 10 points.
And we take
You,
a profit that is like total close or
yeah, automatically it will close the trade whenever it hits
then
the
it will
profit.
only then it will only open at another side.
Right. So yeah, if you stop loss also, yeah, if you don't want to have any stop loss, you can remove that. If you want to have, you can check it, and then scroll down and come all the way down, and there is enabled button. You will select enabled, the checkbox, and then if you come little bit down, come all the way to the bottom. That strategy order, right? Let us say you want to take 2 MNQ. The strategy you change it to quantity, default quantity. And you instead of 1 MNQ, if you want to take 2 MNQ, you select 2. Then automatically, whenever it happens, it will take 2 MNQs. And then you will say apply.
No trading option. I like trading.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Trailing stop.
No, automatically it will, whenever it changes the direction, it will automatically close it.
Right, right. But also, okay. Oh, we got it.
So you say apply. Say okay. Say okay. Say okay. Now it got enabled automatically. Right. So because you have kept a profit target, whenever it hits the right, it took a sell signal, it hits the profit target, it closing the trade.
Yeah.
So that's it. So same thing, you can go to MNQ, right click there on the MNQ at the bottom. You can duplicate in new tab. And now instead of MNQ, you select MES. Yeah, you can just keep it in 5 minutes high connection. If you want to configure high connection, you can click on configure. And on this side, click on add on the left side. And then use in the from the drop down, you select high connection. Say okay. Right now on the right side, yeah, you can select add. You can give 3 minutes, 5 minutes like that. After a minute, you give three. Right. Let us say you want to enter quickly. You can do 3 minutes or 5 minutes like that. Yeah. Say okay. Yeah. You can say apply.
5 seconds and 5 and 10
Yeah, your that means that is a 1 minute chart, 5 minutes chart under high connection. Those are minute, but generally we use high connection for the bots. Yeah, you can just say
But why I'm seeing this differently than the monthly setup?
no, you did not enable the strategy here, right? Only you did MNQ.
Oh,
Now you right click here in this chart, MES chart, go to
oh,
strategies,
okay.
and then yeah, under right choice, you see the strategy.
Oh,
Right, again you can select long only or short only.
yeah, this is what I. So one bar close is good enough.
You can keep the default. Yeah. Then you have to select that enable checkbox. If you want to change the quantity, you can change it to 2 or 3 MES.
Uh,
Yeah, that's it. Apply. Okay. So automatically, whenever there is a sell signal, it will take the trades. In whatever time you mentioned, it will take the trades during the time.
Anything you want to do, or then I'm good, right?
Yeah, you are good. So, for example, tomorrow you see for GC, it is a bull trap or bear trap. Then you can do for MGC. Let us say crude oil, you
Yeah, I
see a
can.
bull trap or bear trap. You
Yeah,
repeat
I
the
can
same thing. If you
duplicate.
have
Yes.
5 different symbols, you can do 5 different tabs. You enable the algo on all 5 different tabs. So whenever the reversal happens, automatically it will take the trade so that you don't need to manually keep watching. Automatically the bot will do the sell end. So whichever you are using here, once you gain the confidence, then you can copy the same trade into 5 accounts, 10 accounts, 20 accounts without
Okay.
you looking into the charts.
So this is for 1 week available, right? So what has after one?
Right, yeah. This entire week you can test it. So basically, right, every day. Let me share again. Someone is asking, what is this long only, short only? Right, as I explained in the morning training session, our pre-market indicators or futures indicator, stocks indicator, they will look at all the pre-market information, and then before the market open, that means before 8:30 a.m. Central, they will tell you that once market opens, there can be a bull trap. Means initially 5-10 minutes, first to 5 minutes or first 10 minutes, it will seem that it is going up, but that is a fake breakout. That is a fake bull signal. Then they will bring it down. So whenever something, right, the indicator is telling it is a bull trap, that means we are expecting a drop on all these symbols. So if it is a bull trap in the scanner, then we will put a short only. because we are expecting ES to drop. Right on Friday, first 5 minutes ES went up, then there was a big drop. NQ first 5 minutes it went up, there was a big drop. NKD first 5 minutes it went up, there was a big drop. So between 8:15 to 8:30, you look at this indicator, or I'll share the table, right? And then wherever you have a bull trap in the Ninja bot, you will select short only, because that is where first 5 minutes it went up and then there was a huge drop. So if it continues to go up, right, for example, then there is no risk for you, right? Because you are not immediately taking a trade. If it continues to go up, it will not even take a trade. But it is telling there is a bull trap, and if it starts dropping, immediately the bot will take the sell signal. And whenever again it starts going up, the bot will close the sell signal. It won't take the buy trades. So that's what for all the futures, we avoid all the other scenarios. Wherever it is telling it is a bull trap, we do short only. Wherever it says bear trap, we'll do long only. And then we'll let the bot take the trades without you have to manually, right? Otherwise, you have to keep watching. Oh, I got a sell signal. Now you have to go and click on sell. Again, you got a buy signal. You have to go and buy. You have to keep watching it. Sometimes you see a green candle, we think like, oh, it again it is going up, or sometimes it started dropping. We took a sell signal. Suddenly it started going up. The emotions will take out all the profits back. But if you see that it is a bull trap, you put a short only. If you see bear trap, you put long only, and you let bot take the trades. Yes, Sunil, you can share your screen.
Thank you. Sure. Okay, I think I followed for the most part. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Okay, so before, okay, let me cancel this out.
Yeah, as of now, I gave access, whoever filled the Google form, I gave access
Yeah.
only to the Prism bot. There
Yeah,
are
yeah.
multiple bots, but Prism
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
best.
Correct. So first thing is, okay, let me, where I got confused was, are you sure? Yes. All right. Because I do on Mac, I thought it will be helpful if anybody wanted to do it on Mac.
Mhm.
Give me 1 second. 1 second. Let me just share once again. Somehow it is not, it's just not there. So once we are in Ninja, we start the chart. But in the chart, I missed the follow when you were saying what options to give. And the next step was,
Yeah, you can share the screen. I will show you what to
yes, yeah, yeah. I have to restart my VM. It came back. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so here it is.
You have to go to new.
Yes, it's just loading the connection. So
Wait, I need my ice cream. Where's Jacob?
chart,
Chart. And then in the instrument, you can select whichever you want, MCL,
MNQ,
MNQ.
yeah.
For this week, you go with the just the micros. Once you gain confidence, you can go with minis.
Yes. So
and
in
then,
the
now
MNQ,
go to the top again. And after the before minute, you have to select Heikinashi. Select that.
okay.
Then select Heikinashi here, and then you make it as 5 minutes. And then you can say okay. So here you go to strategies. Select Prism. Yeah.
So for now, I
Then
leave it as both, and I change this to 6:30. I mean Pacific, so I'll just change this to 6:30 to 8. That 1.5 hour that we want to do. So here we if we don't do enable target
then
profit.
until you get a sell signal, it will keep going.
Okay, so if we are in prop, should I have any profit target or just remove it?
If it is in the evaluation, you don't need it
Evaluation.
because sometimes it may drop 100 points, 200 points.
Yeah.
So if you want to get more profits, then better uncheck it. But if you are doing a
Okay.
pro account, you want to
Got
maintain consistency. That is where you keep every day. You make 40 ticks. You that is nearly with 1 year's contract. That is $500 with one contract.
Oh, okay, okay. With yes, with micros, then 40. Then we have to do.
Yeah, or you can do
Yeah.
2 or 3 contracts, right? You
Got it.
change.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah,
So
you
if I'm
can
doing
select.
Apex and
Just enable. Yeah, check that enable works.
and
And then
entries per direction is where we
no,
want to give whether
no,
2
no,
or 3.
go further down. The last one you have to change. In the order properties, instead of strategy, you select default quantity.
Oh,
Here
default
you have to
quantity.
change it to 2 or 3.
Okay.
And then you
Good.
apply. And also click on template so that every time you don't need to select all these things.
Yes.
You can
Yes.
save the template. You can give some name to this template.
Okay.
Yeah. Save. Mhm. Say okay.
Okay. So for us to know if it is enabled or not, basically we need to have the chart open, right, Kishore? When the in that time.
Great. Or if you go to the Ninja Trader,
In the orders, we will see. In the
In the
execution or
orders,
orders.
or if you go to strategies,
Okay.
you see that enable box.
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
At the morning time, once you see bull trap or bear trap, you can come here and just enable it. If you uncheck
Got
it,
it.
it will become disabled.
Disabled. Okay.
Right. So for
Got
each
it.
ticket, you will have MNQ, GC, like that. You will have each tab. Whichever you get
Okay.
a bull trap or bear trap, you will enable them.
Just like how we do for the replicanto, similarly.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kishore.
So,
And if my other question was, because I'm using replicanto with elite, I cannot use bot to be that, right? So if I have two accounts in which I want to, then I'll have two tabs with different accounts.
mm, no,
Like
you
if
can
I
use
have two
Apex.
Apex accounts in which I want to execute the same MNQ strategy,
Right.
then I'll have
Mm.
two MNQ tabs, each one going to one account as a bot.
If you have replicanter, you can make that Apex as the primary, right?
Oh, okay. But no, but if in Replicanto, if I'm using Elite as my main, and that I'm using for doing manual trading, and
No,
I only want to try for Apex.
no, you only enable those child accounts, only Apex accounts you can enable.
Got it. Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Replicanter,
So
it will,
that we can configure even in Replicanto also. One
right,
more. Okay, okay, got it, got it. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, that is right. Okay, I will do that one. Okay,
because in
thank
the
you.
Ninja Trader, you are only selecting one account where the trade will
Correct.
actually happen.
Yeah,
In the replicanter, you can say, okay, this trade, I want to, once you gain confidence for 1 or 2 days, you see that, okay, this bull trap, bear trap is working exactly. Now
yes,
you gain confidence, then now you can copy the same trade into 10 accounts, 20 accounts, as you wish.
got it.
You,
So
you
one
put,
last question on that is, so in trading view, so from a indicators point of view, do I need, remember you had the pre-market three indicators, chips and tech and something
right.
else, crypto. Do we need
Mhm.
those indicators or MTFF is good? MTFF and the stock is good enough.
Right. If you want to mainly focus on the major futures, major stocks, those two are good enough.
Okay.
But if you want to trade more and more, as you gain more and more confidence, then
Then we can,
you can
okay,
use, because right, sometimes MTFF may not have any bull trap or bear trap.
correct.
Or MTFS, right? Meta, Tesla, Google, all are choppy. Then
Hmm.
maybe AI themes, maybe Dell might be somewhere at the bull trap. So
Got
like
it.
that,
Okay.
those additional indicators will help us when you don't have, but generally you will have minimum 1 or 2 with bull trap, bear trap in each scanner.
Yeah.
But you want to trade more, then yeah, more scanners. The tech will look at all IBM, Oracle, CRM, such type of companies,
Got it.
or
So
crypto
those
stocks.
three, are they looking at the entire S&P 500 as a primary subset of data to find out which ones are in the
No,
bull
chip
trap
scanner
or
will have top 40 chip stocks.
okay, okay, okay,
Crypto will have a coin, Riot, Mara, such type of all the stocks related to cryptos.
crypto. Okay,
In the
got it.
same way, AI teams will have like Dell or all the AI related stocks, RGTI, all the quantum stocks. So like that, each domain you have certain stocks which will be in bull
Okay,
trap, bear
okay.
trap.
Hmm. So I think for now, okay. So once we go through this for some time, then we can expand the indicator set we need. Because right now I
Right,
am looking at almost seven. I'm like, okay, I want to figure out which one to keep, which one to trade for which indicators to get good combination of stocks and futures. That's why.
right. For now, yeah,
Okay.
MTFS is good enough to start with. Once you
Yeah.
gain confidence, then you can expand to more indicators, which will give
Got
you
it.
more tickers.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
I hope everyone got that question, what Sunil is asking. So we have MTFF here, right? It is telling that all these are bull trap. Then you have MTFS, which looks at the major stocks and major ETFs. The MTFS gave right out of 1213, it is telling that Nvidia, Tesla, they are at bull trap. That means after first 5-10 minutes, there can be a big drop on Tesla and Nvidia. But there are some other scanners also. Like for example, it is telling Cisco is a good opportunity. Right? If it is red, that means it is a bull trap. If it is green, that is a bear trap. If it is yellow, that is choppy. So now you got additional one more ticker, Cisco. So for example, if you have very limited tickers here, now I can go to Cisco. Right, Friday morning, first candle, it was a bullish candle. Then Cisco dropped all the way some 10 points down. Right, or if you see, right here it is telling Dell is one of the best, right? It is number one candidate. So now I can go to Dell. Nearly $30-40 drop. That would have given, right? If you buy the puts, that will give 1000%. So, but yeah, to start with, these two are good enough. Once you gain more and more confidence, more and more practice, because sometimes if you have too many also, you will be confused. Okay, should I take Dell? Should I take Cisco? Should I take Nvidia? Should I take Tesla? You will be confused. So you start with one or two scanners, which will tell you, okay, this ES and Q are looking bearish after first 5-10 minutes. Nvidia, Tesla is looking bearish. Once you gain confidence with two scanners, then it is telling Nvidia will drop or CAMT will drop, ENTG will drop, EXN will drop, ALGM will drop, LRCX is choppy. These are additional scanners which will help you for day trading. Mainly in the first 5-10 minutes, whenever you see a sell signal, you buy puts or you do bear calls. Whenever you see buy signal, you close. This is all the China related stocks. NTES, JKS, even all these drop on Friday morning. So every day at 8:30 a.m. Central, this gets locked. That means tomorrow 8:30 you will have a new list of stocks. Until pre-market opens, it will these tickers will display. Whenever pre-market open for the stocks, then it will be different. Yeah, you have to do parallel desktops. Yeah, Rajesh, please go ahead. Rajesh, please go ahead. Are there, Rajesh? We can't hear you. Ram, please go ahead.
Kishore, last time I took a replicant license from you. There is a change in mission ID. I have messaged the mission ID in the chat.
Can you send the previous ID also? If you have?
Oh, yeah. I'll let me send. Yeah, sent, Kishore. The last one is the previous ID. The first one is recent ID.
The vendor name is Right Choice Advisors without any space. RIGHT. Yeah. The Google form, I kept everything.
Sure, same thing with me. I sent the previous one. Now I updated my machine ID. So can I get access to Prism bot, please?
Mm. No, Prism bot, you have to fill the Google form.
Yeah, I filled Kishore. I just edited my response and updated my new machine ID.
Okay. Yeah, I gave the access on it.
Okay, Kishore, let me restart my Ninja Trader. Whoever filled the Google form, I gave the access. So your step number one is you have to get the Ninja machine ID and then you have to fill the Google form. Step number two is you download the zip file from the Google Drive. Step number three is you have to just import that file and then you just enable the bot. So tomorrow morning, whenever I share that, okay, these stickers are looking bull trap, these stickers are looking bear trap. Whenever I share something as bull trap, you have to enable short only. I'll say that, okay, do short only on this ESNQ, do long only on MGC, MCL. Then you open the tab, you enable that, then automatically the trades will happen. Kishore, quick question. In connection tab, how do I add the accounts once replicant is enabled?
Mm, is it Ram who asked that question?
Oh, Ram here, Kishore.
Yeah, if you want, you can share your screen.
This one, Kishore.
Go to connections.
Yeah.
First, you have to go to tools, go to settings, then you enable that multi-provider checkbox on the right side. Multi-provider after English, here.
Okay.
You apply. You now go to connections.
Configure.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it, Kishore. Thank you. I'll add here.
Sure. Anyone has any other questions? Yeah, Sam, I gave you the access. Rajesh, do you have any other questions?
Sure, I have one question. This is Sandeep. You
Mhm.
gave me access to Replicanto, right? So when I go in, previously I like installed Replicanto on my other version, then I rebooted my machine. So I need to download the Replicanto again. So from the login, how can we download the latest one? Sure.
Yeah, in the Google Drive, you have the latest version.
Okay, so you can download that directly.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I thought I could go into login and then download. I'll log in from the Google Drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'll share the recording. So you can just watch the recording and you can complete the setup if anyone did not do it. Right, it is easy process. Downloading the file, importing it, and then just enabling the indicator. So already I help two users. Everyone can follow the same steps if someone missed when they are doing. You can use anything, right? Because Apex is cheap. Mm, I said Apex, but you can do with TPT or you can do with a light trader, whatever it is. Because it is a semi-automated, it is not 100% auto. You are looking which is bull trap, which is bear trap, and then you are only taking in the direction. You are using your judgments and you are using your decision making. You are not enabling on all tickets all the time. So that's why the prop firms will accept it. And yeah, so basically we are taking only one direction where there is very high chance of reversal. Only those tickers we are taking the trade because already yeah, your pre-market indicator is telling we'll see a reversal. Whenever you get a reversal, you make nice profits. That's it. First 1 hour, you're done with your trading without no need to manually keep watching when it is buy coming, when sell is coming. That is the advantage. Yeah, sir, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishore. This is Sridhar. So I have a
Yeah.
quick question about the strategy we just set it up, right? So is it possible to update it to a long or a short only? I mean, once it is set up, or do we have to create another strategy?
No, you can just go and update.
Okay. Can you help me? Like, how do I do that? Or
Can you share your screen?
yeah.
So once you set it up, you save the workspace, and every day you don't need to do the same process again. Just you have to go and you just change it from short only to long only to short only. Right? Only one time you will do the setup MAS, MNQ for each tab. You go and keep all the tabs ready. Next day morning, 8:15 to 8:30, whenever you see that there is a bull trap or bear trap, you go to the tab and you can just enable.
So, for example, I have created strategy
Mhm.
for two tickers,
Right.
right? MNQ and MES, and they are enabled in the strategies, right?
Right. Let us go right click on that MNQ, go to the chart,
Okay.
right click, go to strategies.
Oh, sorry.
Right. So here what you can do is you disable the, for example, right, as of now you kept it as short only. Let us say by tomorrow morning it shows as a bear trap. Right. Let us say overnight it dropped so much. So tomorrow morning we are seeing a bear trap. So now what you have to do is scroll down. Yeah, scroll further. Yeah, wherever that enable checkbox is there, disable that. You can now go up and or click on apply. Once you disable it, click on apply. Okay, now from short only, you change it to long only. Okay, now you can just enable it and apply.
I see. Okay, got it. So here we can change the account also, right? In case if we want to.
Yeah, you can change
Okay.
whichever you want.
Okay.
And
Thank
then
you.
if you say apply, yeah. So now you will have all the tabs ready. Whichever tomorrow we get a bull trap or bear trap, on those ones you will go and enable it with the proper direction.
Sure. Is this a Heikenhashi candle or?
No, that is if you see the that is showing 5-minute candle.
Yeah.
You go there, click on that, and click on configure. Then on the left side, click on add button. Here you add Heikenhashi, say OK. Now, select Heikenhashi on the left side. Now click on add on the right side. You can say 5 minutes. Say OK. Apply. Say OK. Now you go to that 5-minute drop down. Yeah, now you have Heikenhashi at the bottom. You can select that 5 minutes.
Oh, thank you. So we don't have to disable this after 10 or 10:30, right? Like it won't take the trades after.
Yeah, because you gave the time that only take between a certain time, then only during that time it will take the trades.
It will take the trades. Okay. Only it will take the trades only if the criteria matches between the time period.
Right.
Okay. Perfect.
So all we need to do is between 8:15 to 8:30. If it is a bull trap, you do short only. If it is a bear trap, you do long only.
Yeah.
And then whenever there is a sell signal, then only it will take the trade if it is a bull trap. Yeah, I'll share the recording.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, Kirti, please go ahead.
Uh, yeah, Kishore, in the Prism bot, if we select the parent account, then it will automatically do the copy trades, right?
No, Prism bot is only taking trades in one account. In Replicanto, if, for example, you use that account as a parent account in Replicanto,
Okay,
then you can do copy trading. But Prism
okay,
is only taking trades in whichever account you select, it will take trades in that account. Just
okay,
like
got it.
in trading view, we select one account, right? In the same way, in the Ninja, you are selecting one account where you want the trades to happen.
Okay, fine. And one more thing, earlier I used to have a old version of Replicanta and old version of Flowbots. Whether I need to upgrade any latest version, there is some, earlier I know there is some compatibility issue. Right now, what version is like good to use currently? Like,
If it is, you can continue to use that. It is not mandatory to upgrade it.
okay, okay. Okay, the mission ID got changed. I submitted the form with the new mission ID. That's sufficient, right? I already submitted like morning.
You can paste it here.
Okay, give me a second. I will paste it.
Mission ID for Replicanto or
Yeah, Replicanta. Mission ID for Replicanta.
yeah, you can paste it.
Okay.
Dipin, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishorji, I'm trying to get the mission ID and I'm typing right choice advisors with no space, but it just keeps saying vendor not available.
So there should not be space between and
Yeah, there's not, but I don't know why is it doing that. I can share my screen quick.
yeah, you pasted it here. Are you using the same thing or different thing?
Yes, exactly this one. I can try one more time, 1 second.
Yeah, you can share your screen. Now, as of now, it is for futures, but very soon it will work with SPX and DX, all those things also. So automatically, but Ninja Trader is mainly for futures. You have to connect with IBKR or some other brokerage. Where in Ninja Trader, whenever you have that bull trap, bear trap, will automatically go to the other broker and take the puts or it takes the bear calls. But for now, we want to mainly focus on futures.
Kishorji, this is my screen now.
Say okay. I think there might be a space or something.
This thing.
Can you give me control?
Yep.
Hi, Kishore. I just pasted the mission ID in the chat. Please take a look.
Everyone is able to use it without any issues. Choose it to use. Is this a live account or?
No, this is just a sim account. Or I can try to log in a different one again and try it. I was just trying the Apex one.
Yeah, please try to do that because for others it worked fine.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, I'll let you know.
Is it required to put a phone number there, last 4 digits or some number?
That's not mandatory.
Okay.
It is throwing error on the vendor name. We can put anything. We can just put last name because sometimes last names will match, right? If you put Patel, there can be hundreds of Patels. Tomorrow, if your machine ID changes, we don't know which one we have to replace. But if you put your phone number, last 4 digits of phone number, then we can easily identify which one to. Kirti, I updated your machine ID for replicanter. Sam, I already gave you the access.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Kishore, I updated my Replicanto and my Ninja Trader. So I'm trying to do connection use for the trader weight. I'm not able to see the trader weight in my connection. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share it.
Okay. You're able to see my screen, Kishore?
Yes.
So if I go on connection, I'm not seeing the trader weight
You have to
plugin.
go to tools,
Tools. Okay.
go to settings, and enable that multi-provider checkbox. Under
Oh,
general, you have multi-provider. Yeah, click on apply. Yeah, say okay. And now if you go to connections, you will say configure.
okay.
Yeah, you can continue. You can select that Ninja Trader. Yeah, double click.
Double click.
Double click on Ninja Trader. Yeah, now you
Yeah, yeah.
can rename it as Take Profit Trader or something.
Okay. So here I can enter my credentials. Right?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, got it, Kishore.
Sure. So Sam, you have to first download the file from the Google Drive. Once you download the file, import the file, then you'll see right choice in the strategies. Yeah, Ramesh, please go ahead. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any questions?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So looks like I'm getting error when I'm trying to add, okay, Ninja script, which is saying that I have old programming error, old Ninja script programming error, so I don't know how to do it. Do you know anytime see this error? If I can share if you want.
Maybe you have to reinstall Ninja, then it will work fine.
Okay, but if I reinstall Ninja, then I need to add all those machine ID for replicant and all those things again, right?
Yeah, the machine ID will be same.
Machine
It won't
ID.
change, but if you have any old code or something, then it will get updated.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I did everything. Okay, thanks.
On that? Yeah, Mahesh, please go ahead.
Hey Kishore, good evening. So I need a help installing this Ninja Trader, this thing. I never used it.
Yeah, just go to Google and say install Ninja Trader. It is a free software.
Yeah, I installed it. After that, the settings and those things, I'm getting confused.
You see that? Uh, yeah, I'll share the recording. You just watch the recording, and if still issues, then I'll do another session tomorrow to help.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Because I installed it and I is selecting the Prism and all the stuff, but I'm not sure whether the strategies. I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, did you download the file or not?
Yeah, I downloaded it and I multiple times I imported the Prism file.
Okay, you can share your screen. Okay.
Oh, yeah, this is what I installed.
Okay, go to new, open chart, select chart.
Here I selected MNQ. Icon hash minute. I changed this multiple times as 5.
Okay, say come all the way down. Yeah, say okay. Okay, are you connected to any prop account? Do you
Yeah, I
have
have a Pro Plus account, TPT Pro Plus account.
Okay. Did you connect to that already? Is connections enabled?
Connections live. See, connections live is there.
Okay, you just open the chat again. Okay, now right click, go to strategies. Then go to right choice. Yeah, double click. Yeah, now you can make the changes.
So I'm in EST. So should put down.
Yeah, you will give 930, 9300. 9:30 to 11:30 is good. And generally, yeah, in the morning time, you will select the trade direction around 8:15 time.
Okay.
Based on the bull trap or bear trap, you have to select the direction.
So here I need to change it.
Mm. Enable.
In this one I need to enable.
Right.
Any other things I need to do it?
Yeah, for first 1 or 2 days, you can run with one quantity.
Yeah,
After
one
that,
quantity only. Yeah. Strategy.
and you change it to default quantity. Then you can do 2 or 3 after you gain the confidence.
Yeah. So apply.
Yeah.
Okay. Want to continue this. Okay, so if I want to do for MES,
right click there, duplicate a new tab. And then yeah, just change the symbol to the
okay.
top.
Did it open or yeah, okay, this one. Okay. Here.
Yeah.
Yes. Again, I need to change here anything.
Yeah, you selected 925. It should be 926. But
Oh.
yeah, you have to enable the strategy again.
Here it is not
So
there.
just type MES. And select
MES.
MES features.
Right click. Strategies. Right choice. Strategies. Prism. It's 9:30.
Yeah, yeah. After 9:30, 2 zeros is good enough. It is 09 because 0 you don't need.
Sorry, I should put 09.
Yeah, and then you delete 10 at the last.
In the previous one, I did a wrong thing.
Yeah, that is good.
Yes, so this one.
Select that enable. Did you already fill the Google form?
Yes.
By default, it is 1. If you want to keep 1, you don't need to do anything.
Okay. Right.
You know it got enabled here.
But here I'm not getting this thing for MNQ. What is the problem?
Yeah, go back again to strategies. Yeah, select 9:30 to 11:30. That enable checkbox and then apply. You don't need to make any change.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, Kalyan, please go ahead.
So, Kishore Garu, yeah, I filled in the Prism for Google form and I want to set it up. I just like joined 5 minutes back. Software link and పంపిస్తున్నారు. What should I download?
So what is the last name you used?
Bitrun,
Yeah, I already gave you the access.
Okay. Okay. Now, should I share my screen and I mean strategies well Mantara?
And I pasted the link in the Zoom chat. You click on that link.
It's not showing okay, join us. ఇందులోని ఏదండి డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలి అది
Prism.
Yeah.
Once you download it, you just do same like how you did the flowbots. You have to import it.
Share చేస్తున్నాను స్క్రీన్ Yeah, you can see my screen and
Yeah, now I can see.
okay. I go to
Tools,
tools, yeah.
import, Ninja script
Ninja.
add-on.
Okay.
And then you select that zip file.
Yeah. Third party. Okay. Ninja successfully imported. Okay. Import అయిందండి. Now next I go to connecting. So no. Start is here.
Yeah, now you right click strategies. Select strategies.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, right choice strategy. Even details.
Double click.
Add.
Yeah,
Okay.
now
So yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
yeah, tomorrow morning, based on whether it is bull trap or bear trap, you can select the direction there.
And I'm in CST, so this should be like 8:30.
8:30. Yeah, 8:30 to 10:30.
Is it 8:30 or 08:30? And I mean, that doesn't make a difference.
Yeah, it doesn't. Even if you add 0, it will take it out.
Okay. So this looks correct. 8:30 to 10:30, I guess, right? Or 10:30. Okay. And so this is for MNQ, 5 minutes. So we can select so if I select the main account, then it will automatically copy into other accounts, like replicant.
Right.
Okay. So let's try use that. Yeah, you said one order just for 3 days. And
yeah, that is the last field. If you want to change it, you have to change the last one. Go to last one, strategy.
Default quantity.
Yeah. So
Okay,
by default,
one.
it is 1, but if you want it 2, then you have to change it. Otherwise, you just keep it as default quantity.
Okay. Right. So this is this is applies for each and every ticker. Yeah, this is for MNQ. If I want to I copy paste the same thing again.
Right. You repeat the same thing with each ticker. You keep all the tabs ready so that in the morning between 8:15 to 8:30, you can just enable long only, short only, wherever you have bull trap, bear trap. For those tickers, we can enable long only, short only.
Okay. So behind the scenes, this is basically this script is kind of similar to what is there in trading view, but there is no relation between this and trading view. So this is basically identifying that the traps in this script and then executing the script here itself. So there are the two independent. The only trading has nothing to do with this, and this is nothing. But the approach is same. That's all. Am I right?
Yeah, that is right. So we are from trading view, we are getting the direction and we are enabling the bot in the direction. But yeah, there is no.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, let's say tomorrow, ఇందాక మధ్యాహ్నం కూడా I joined your session. That was good. So let's say tomorrow, let's say it's bull trap and I mean, basically, because it was a bull trap means we are waiting for sell signal, right? So we are going to set this up, select this as short only, right?
Right.
And when we select short only between 8:30 to 10:30, anytime it gets a sell signal, it automatically executes a quantity of one as I mentioned, and then wait for it to, and then
Yeah,
that
when
will
you
close
get a
and
buy
then
signal, it will automatically close the sell signal. It won't take
okay,
a new long opportunity. It will just close that. So if it drops
okay.
400, 500 points like Friday, then you will make nice profits. But you should disable that target profit, right? As of now, you checked 40 ticks.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one and target profit.
Yeah, stop loss. Because if you put that 40 and 80, then whenever it makes 40 ticks, then immediately it will close the trade.
Okay. So for example, let's say tomorrow we set up a short. Hypothetically, let's say it didn't go short at all. So then there won't be any position open or anything, right? It will just
That is right. Yeah.
okay.
That's
Got
why
it,
the
got
risk is low. If it moves as per anticipation, you will make nice profits. If it is
it.
not moving as anticipated, it will not even take any trade. So 90-95% there is a chance it will drop. But 5%, if it goes up for any good news or something, minimum it is not taking any trade at all. But when you have 4 or 5 bull traps, minimum 1 or 2 will get triggered.
Yeah. Got it. That makes sense. And after 8:30, instead of 10:30, it will automatically disable. Let's say after 10:30, it got any signal, it's invalid for this setting, right? No, it doesn't do anything after 10:30.
Right. Yeah. But if there is any trade which is still in progress, right? Let us say a short is still going on, then it will continue. But it won't take a new shot after 10:30.
Okay, got it. Okay, that makes sense. And the only thing is that this chart and all should be open, right? All the tabs, if I create MES and other things, all the tabs should be open.
Right. Yeah. Then only the trades will happen. Yeah, you should use a dedicated laptop for this. So
Yes.
the trades will automatically, and it should not get into sleep mode or something. Or if you have any internet issues or those things, because if it takes a trade and you have internet issue or you have power issue, then that will be a problem.
Yeah, it's our responsibility to get that right. I understand. Okay.
Kishore, in that case, can we go directly to the Ninja app or anything and directly cancel that trade, close the trades, or it will not?
Yeah, you can go to Take Profit Trader or you can go to Trader Wait. You can just say close all the open trades.
When it is connected here, can we connect to the trading view also?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's how I connected, Andy. I mean, I have trading view. Even though the order executes here, it shows up in trading view. If you have that, the Apex or anything connected to trading view, it shows up there. So you can close it from there also.
Thank you.
Right. So I hope everyone got it right. Basically, our pre-market is working perfectly. So if it is giving bull trap, we are seeing a big drop. If it is giving a bear trap, it is giving a big bounce. So we are watching that between 8:15 to 8:30, and then if you don't want to manually trade the futures, then just you go and enable the bot. the bot will automatically take the trades. It moves in our anticipated direction.
This Prism one, of course, on the free trial 1 week. What's if we want to go ahead, what is the cost and all? And I mean, do you have somewhere about that or?
Yeah, it will be same like 349. So you get the Prism bot and you get the scanners, the future scanner.
Yeah.
For 6 months, is there any discount, Kishore? 6 months ago.
We'll have similar discounts when you go with. Yes, Sam, please go ahead.
Will it auto close at 11:30 when you say 11:30?
Yeah, that means it won't take any more trades after that time.
But what if the trade is already active?
It will continue until you get a buy signal. It will continue.
Oh, okay. That timing is only to take new ones.
Right. Yeah, it won't take a new trade.
And where can we see these executions in NinjaTrader if it is taking a trade?
Yeah, same thing. Whenever you take in trading view, wherever you see the same thing, you
Here also in this chart it will show.
The chart also it will show how much profit you are making, how much where it took all those things.
Okay. Okay, and I joined late. I will watch the recording and then ask any questions tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes,
Kishore.
sir.
Yeah, just only one question. So can I share my screen? I'm doing that, but somehow. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen, Kishore. Yeah, so are you able to see my screen, Kishore?
Not it. Yeah, now I can see, but you have to select Heikenashi after go to the top. Okay. 11:30 both. Okay. The
No, here I have a question. So here it is showing up. Which one should I select or?
no, in the instrument you select MNQ.
Yeah, I
just cancel this.
Okay.
And go to new. Chart.
Okay.
Swaroop, you need to have any prop firm account for the live data. And then yeah, you select MNQ. In the minute, you select after the second drop, you select Heikenashi. Yeah, select Heikenashi there instead of minute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now make it 5 minutes. From 1, you may change it to 5. Yeah, say okay.
No, do I need to change this one?
No, you can just keep it.
Oh, okay. Okay, got it.
And is it? And చేసామండి అది ఆరబెట్టావా నేను ఇచ్చింది డ్రై చేసావా
So do I need to open now strategy or where should I go?
Right click on. Yeah, once the chart opens, you right click and click on strategies.
Oh, okay, got it. Do I need to add here or something?
Still, I don't see any chart.
Yeah, Kishore. So, I mean, it's still a disabled shows. Can I add here or?
It is still hanging, right? It still did not load the chart. Do you have any? Did you enable the
No.
connection?
Yeah. I already.
Do you have any prop firm account?
Yes, Kishore, I have that.
Chart is not opening up.
Okay.
We cannot see. If you are seeing a chart, we cannot see it. Maybe sharing the
Yeah,
full
yeah.
screen.
Yeah, let me share full screen, entire screen. Yeah.
We cannot see it.
Yeah, yeah. Are you able to see now? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see now. Okay, you just disable that. Select that enable checkbox.
Yeah. Okay.
Come down.
Yes.
Yeah, come scroll all the way down. Apply.
Sorry.
Now come all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Select apply.
Okay. So these are all correct, right? Yeah.
Yeah, all those are. Yeah, you don't need to do anything.
So here I can keep the 10:30. Yeah. Yeah. I have to keep it 8:30, right? Yeah.
8:30 to 10:30 is where you want to.
Yeah, this one is also correct, right? Yeah.
Yeah, click on apply.
Can I use? Can I make it as a template for future use?
Yeah, you can save it as a template. So whenever you open a new tab, some of these will be already there.
Yeah. Okay.
Save.
Yeah.
You can save as Prism or something.
Yeah.
And if you want, you can say okay.
Yeah, Kishore. So I did this one, but tomorrow morning, how do I start this bot? I mean, it is automatically will take the trade. That's it, right?
That's what I explained, right? You
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to
yeah.
whether it is bull trap or bear trap.
Mm-hmm.
And then based on that, now you selected both sides. But tomorrow
Yes,
morning,
correct.
you have to select one of the directions. If you get a bull trap or bear trap for NQ,
Okay.
if you get bull trap, you will do short only. If you get bear trap, you will get long only.
Okay. For that, so you say suppose there is a bull trap tomorrow, I select the cell, right? So for that cell, how do I enable this bot? Where should I start? Click on the shot.
Right click. So let us say tomorrow morning you will come here.
Yes, yeah.
Go to strategies. Now disable that remove the checkbox, which wherever you enabled it, you uncheck it. No, come down.
Okay. Yeah,
That
okay,
enable.
got it.
Yeah. Then say apply. Let us say tomorrow morning we see that we got a bait trap.
Yes, okay.
Then now you go to the top and you make it instead of both, you say long only because it is a bait trap. If it is a bull trap, you do short only.
Okay, got it. Okay. So, and then I have to enable this, yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So once we did this one, how do I, so do I need to, once I took the profit, do I need to close myself or it is automatically closed that?
It
So,
automatically takes both the trade, right? It takes a sell trade. Whenever it gets a buy, it will close the sell trade.
okay. So Kishan, in this scenario, is it semi-automate or
Yes, it
because,
is semi-automation because you are not enabling throughout the day. You are not enabling all the tickers. You are not enabling.
okay.
You are, you
Okay.
are using your judgment on which tickers to enable, which ones to not enable,
Okay.
and
Okay.
you are
Okay.
only doing for certain amount of time where you have a big reversals.
Okay. Okay. So any platform they allow us, right, Kishore?
Yeah, semi-automation is okay.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
keep them enabled throughout the day, that is where they may say that you are
Yeah. Okay.
doing.
Got it. Okay.
And your
Okay.
trade will hold for 1.5. If you are doing in seconds, you are doing buying and selling. That is where generally they restrict.
Okay. Okay. So prop accounts also they okay. I mean the funded accounts. I mean yeah.
Yeah, funded also you can do with micros.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Andy. Yeah. Thank you. That's it. Yeah.
The bots will work throughout the day, but
Yeah.
we do mainly 8:30 to 10:30 because that is where you have good volume.
Yes.
The reversals, the points will be more, right? If you do
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
a session, it may keep. There is one member asking, will it work only during that time? You can if
Okay.
you can enable throughout the day, but if it is choppy, it will keep going up. When it goes up, it will take a buy. Again, next candle it drops, it takes a sell. So you will have more losses. Even US session also, there will be some tickers which will be choppy. So that's why we are identifying out of this 20 star futures, which are the best ones where there can be reversal. We are only enabling on those tickers so that we can make nice gains. So
Okay.
that's why
Okay.
we do between 8:30 to 10:30 on a selected tickers.
Oh, thank you so much.
Kishore garu, what indicators is this using behind? Do we need to have access to those indicators?
No, you don't need to because bot is doing everything. You don't need to have any access to any, right? All you need to know is which are bull trap, which are bear trap,
Okay.
and then enable on those tickers.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
Raghu, please go ahead.
Yeah, Kishore, just a quick question. So I created a chart and tried to load all the strategies that you said, but when I close it and try to reopen and then try to go to templates and load them, it's not loading. So I had to like do it again. So what is the easy way to just load them?
You save the workspace. Once you add the strategy, Prism strategy, then you save the workspace. So whenever you open the chart again tomorrow morning, all those will be enabled.
Okay, so I just need to save the workspace, right? So
Yeah, once you add all the MNQ, MES like that, you just save the workspace.
okay, you can see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
I save strategies and then sorry, MNQ I loaded it is 0, FX. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and did this as save as, and I tried to save this as MES and MNQ, but somehow it did not work out. Like, let's see if I go here templates and load MNQ, I don't think it opened anything.
You have to add the strategy again on every chart.
Okay.
Only thing is
Mhm.
you right click,
Okay.
go to strategies, Yeah. So it already saved everything, right?
Yeah, so on this one, I just saved it, but when I close this workspace and open it, it opens something like this, like a blank page. Now, when I try to load it using this side, so like MNQ eval, it doesn't open anything. So for this to show up, for these two to show up, so what I did is I went here after adding all the strategies, I made it as template and then save as, and then just save it. But the other thing that you said is before I close, I just need to save this workspace, right? Is what you said.
Go to workspaces. You save that.
Is it click on new and save it?
Whatever is in the green color, the default workspace. You save. You can give some name, Prism or something.
Okay, I'll try to close it and then try to reopen and check that one. So is this how like you close it? Like just go ahead and close this, or is there a better way to close that one?
Yeah, you can even just uncheck those enable boxes, then the algos will get disabled.
Okay.
Picture Darren. So once it executed, let's say tomorrow, open and close on command. I think it's always good a practice for us to go and disable all of them, or does it automatically disable after it closed the transaction or the strategy? So, but do you recommend we go in and close all of them, because next day morning we don't want to by mistake take anything, right? Unless we go and manually enable it. But what's the best practice you would recommend?
Yeah, generally it's better you disable them. Again, morning 8:15 to 8:30, you see the bull trap, bear trap, and then you enable whichever you want. So we are keeping all the charts ready, save the workspace.
Yeah.
And then every day morning 8:15 to 8:30, you select which ones to enable. All the others, we can keep it disabled.
Yeah, I will try that, Kishore. Thank you.
Yeah. So on that comment earlier, somebody is asking, so what I found out is when we save as a template, you actually save it as a template, but when I load the template, it is loading all the parameters exactly, but it's not selecting the account. It's always keeping the account as the default, but all other parameters, it's bringing back actually when you add a new chart and you add a new strategy. After you add a strategy, on the bottom you have a template, right? You click on template and load, then it loads it. All the settings are coming back except the account. Just FYI.
Yeah.
But
That
you have to go and
account
change the
will
account.
select. Yeah.
Hey Kishore, hi. So I'm quickly sharing my screen once. So the charts are not loading for me, but I went ahead and checked connections. So I do have a Apex prop firm. So I don't see any Apex here. So
Once
do
the
I need
effect.
sorry?
So what you have to do is you go and select Ninja Trader.
Okay. Okay, Ninja Trader. Okay. And here.
Yeah, double click or yeah. And then you rename the connection name as Apex.
Okay, got it.
And then you give the username password. You bought TradeOvate accounts, right?
Yeah, I got it trade over accounts. Yeah.
You can give that username password here and then apply. And then
Okay, okay, sure.
yeah.
Sorry, yeah. Got it. Yeah, thanks.
Sure. Yes, Swarup, you can share your screen.
How to disable it every day?
The checkbox on the strategies, you will see all the checkboxes. If you just click on the checkbox, it will get disabled.
Okay, thank you.
Kishore garu, I'm getting this error. Even I was able to set up the everything. When I set up the strategies, I'm getting this error.
So did you fill the Google form?
I did.
Okay,
And also I shared the ID here in the chat earlier. I don't have saved name, but I can.
Yeah, I see that you have access. So did you go to, yeah, give the same sort of 5 to 9. Are you using Mac or which one?
Windows only, Andy.
Because yeah, one more user also had this issue. Yeah. You just close this. Okay, so when the vendor notification, close the vendor notification. Okay, go
And
to,
also I'm getting this delayed here when I'm clicking on the chart.
yeah, because you don't have, are you connected to any prop account there?
No, I do have prop account. It's got disconnected now.
Or in the account, you can select any prop account here. Okay.
Can I close this and open it again? Oh no, it's causing
Yeah.
it. Another instance is running. Where is it?
Dipin, you were able to add it?
Yeah, Kishore, I found it for somewhere. I'm not sure if it will work. Can you allow me with the Prism and then I'll see if it doesn't work, I'll try it again.
Okay, but you were able to add that the right choice advisors because you also had a problem initially, right?
Yeah, it was not coming, but then it just gave me this mission ID. It said, you're not allowed, but give this to your third party licensor. So it gave me that mission ID then.
Okay.
Now it's immediately crashing after entering the password.
Finish with your Ninja Trader install.
It was working till yesterday, on Friday. Getting some. Don't have OneDrive or anything there. Not sure. Can I install an update, Kishore garu? I don't know.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, you can do that. So Dipin, I don't see any. So your machine ID should be followed by your name, then only it will work. If you just paste a normal machine ID, it won't work. I think you just pasted 014 F1.
It should have Vadva at the end, at the mission ID, Shorji.
Can you put it in the Zoom chat? I don't see.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I gave the access. Now try to download that file and it's here. Please clear.
Yes, Kishore garu, I have a question regarding the alert. Can I share my screen quickly? I just want to make sure I have the right alert set up for 8:30 to 10:30 session actually.
Yeah.
Can I share? Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, you can see my screen. So I have RLS and market compass. So right now I have two alerts. As you can see here, the futures.
Yeah, mainly you can do trap by trap sell if you want to use this 8:30, 10:30 bull trap by trap scenario. You can select. You have
Trap reversal. Oh no, actually that is for after, right? This will get alert.
right any trap reversal, bull trap and bear trap reversal. Yeah, you can select that any trap reversal.
Any trap reversal.
Yeah.
And And the one I had, what is this one for? What this will do? Flip DI MTF
That
strong.
means we have confluence from multiple things, but yeah, that is, it can happen at any point of time. Mainly if you want to focus on 8:30 to 10:30, the bull trap and bait trap, then you can do trap by trap sell.
And this I can use later, right? Like after 10:30.
Right.
Okay. And any reversal. Okay, perfect. And on MC, so I have A plus power signal, buy or sell. This is what I have right now.
Or you can also do that strong break.
Strong break.
Yeah.
Triple confirmation is this one.
Whenever you get a strong buy break or strong sell break,
Okay, thank you. Because this is what I'm looking for. As soon as I see a signal here, I'll get an alert and then I can enter somewhere here.
right.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So
Kishore
generally,
sir, I'll restart my machine and join.
yeah, whenever bot is taking the trades, we should not manually touch it. Even though you may have 100, 150, if you manually touch it, the bot will become inactive. So you let just the bot handle the trade in that account. Though if you do some manual trades, it will interrupt the bots.
Yeah, basically we should not do any manual trades in the account that we have set up in the strategy, like a bot.
Right.
Okay, yes. That makes sense.
Yeah, Kishore garu, just only one question. Yeah, Kishore garu, this is I'm sharing my screen. I saved this one. That's it, right, Kishore? How to edit and do that?
Yeah, that's it.
No, I think the workspaces. I am not seeing this. Yeah, okay, I got it. I'm good. Yeah, thank you.
Kishore garu, so do you have any plan to do some live session like tomorrow at the morning just to get hands-on?
Yes, yeah. Whatever I explained, I'll do live session.
Okay, sure. Tomorrow at
Yeah.
what time can I expect the webinar session to open?
Yeah, around 8 o'clock, 8:10, where we look at the pre-market and then we enable the short only, long only, and all the bots.
Okay.
Then automatically, whenever the trade happens, you can see that how the bot is taking all the trades.
Okay, so right now you gave us the Prism bot access, right? So this is only for 1 week, or if you have taken a 1 month plan of trader view that covers the Prism bot as well.
No, Prism bot is completely different. Trading
Okay.
view is mainly for stocks, options, if you want to do manual trading of futures at any point of time. This Ninja bot is mainly for 8:30 to 10:30, where they will automatically take the trades.
Okay, so what would be the additional cost if I want to continue the Prism bot one?
Yeah, that's what, as I mentioned, you will get the scanners, right? The future scanner, and then you will get the bots. Actually, there are few more indicators within Ninja also. They will also, yeah, you will get all those Ninja indicators, Ninja strategy as part of the plan.
Okay, like just I would like to know what would be the
Yeah, that will
subscription
be
plan.
349 per month.
So what would be the name of that plan if you want to purchase?
That will be, yeah, basically Ninja bots, a Prism bot or like that. You will have a new plan after 1 week.
If you don't mind, can I quickly share my screen once? Once.
Yeah. So wait until this 1 week, and then
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, no problem then.
Once you're confident, then
Yeah, sure. Got it. So the entire trading view plan and the Prism bot plan is completely different.
Right, yeah. Trading view is mainly for stocks, options, and for manual trading.
Manual trading. Okay.
Ninja bots are mainly for your automated trading.
Got it.
Ninja bots are not good during the Asia or during choppy times, whereas with manual trading, you can trade anytime. Ninja bots are mainly for market open 8:30 to 10:30.
Got it. Understood. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Gold is looking bullish, so anyone want to take, they can take some MGC long.
Yeah, sure, Kishore. So I have one question, Kishore. So when we are setting up the strategies, so suppose if you select MNQ, right now it is September 2026. So after 2020 September, do you have to manually change it to next like December 2026, or it will be automatically changed to December 2026?
The contracts.
Yeah.
So if you use NQ1 like that, automatically it will change.
Okay. Yeah, I try to use NQ1. It is not showing it in the drop down. So it is automatically selecting MNQ September 2026.
Yeah, then whenever you are coming to the second week or third week of September, that is where you will manually change it to December contracts.
Okay. So I tried to put MNQ1 course like apostrophe. It is not showing anything in the list.
Yeah, we have to manually type MNQ, then it will, you have to, whatever is the contract with highest volume, it will select it. But until September second week, you don't need to worry.
Okay. So if you are manually selecting it to September, then we have to change it every time.
No, only during that one day you have to change it. Second week or third week of September, where we'll change it to December contracts.
Right.
Again, third week of December,
And
we'll change it.
right. Again, at the end of December, we need to again change it to March or
Right,
April, depending on that.
right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if not if you don't want that to happen, you just need to put MNQ.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to put MNQ and see. If that doesn't work, then I will go by each contract.
Yeah. So tomorrow I'll do a demo, so you will understand clearly. And yeah,
Sure.
every prop firm will have nearly 20,000, 50,000 traders. So if 300, 400 from our channel are using the bot, but also it won't exactly do the trade exact at the same second. Right? Based on
Mhm.
somebody may enable at 8:30, somebody may do it at 8:35. Based on when you are enabling, which tickers you are enabling, it may place different rates for different users. There might be a few
Okay.
seconds, so it won't be any issue. The prop firms will not think that, oh, these 100 users are using a bot or something, because millions of users or minimum 10,000, 20,000 users will be trading at the same time, because generally most of the
Right.
users will be trading during US market, so it won't be an issue.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Yeah. But everyone will connect. If we see good volume, we can connect at 8. Otherwise, we'll connect in the morning. Bye, everyone.
Thanks, Kishore. And Kishore, you'll be sharing this recording, right?
Yeah, I'll share the record.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sure.